Hello, YouTube! We have another eBay vintage watch lot. They said this one's mechanical, which I like. I paid what I pay, 79.41 Canadian, or about 65 USD. That includes tracking, shipping, taxes, all that fun stuff. So if you like the content, like, comment, subscribe. Helps the channel grow huge. If you want to email me about anything, email's in the description. Let's get to the video. Let's go. So here's the box. Like a 6x6x4 maybe. Fairly heavy. Let's see. You never quite know what you're going to get in these boxes. And don't worry, at the end we always do a recap. What's good, what's bad, what we like, what we don't like. A knife's a little dull, I should probably sharpen it. Cut some cardboard, you know how it is. Let's see, how are these? Just in a bag, I think. Okay, just in a bag. So let's just start like this, I guess. Let's straighten out the camera a little bit. That's better. Let's jump right in. A lot of vintage ones, which we like. A lot of watches here. Start here, and let's see what we got. First up, strap's broken. Lucerne. I actually kind of like these. Runs like a hot damn. Yeah, so see something like this. Condition's not bad, kind of retro 70s. Take this off. Little polish. I'm thinking a leather strap would look quite nice on that. Next up. What's this? Is a Haybury? Something like that? How close can I get? Can't read it either. Let's give it a little. It's automatic. It's 21 joules. Yeah, it doesn't really want to run. Okay, put that in the no. Basquiat? Probably just from shipping with the seconds hand. Yeah, fully wound. Okay, put that in the no. The ones that don't work, I'm probably just going to sell for parts on eBay. Waltham. Oh, 17. It's running. That's always a good sign. Let's give it a little windy. How close can we get? There we go. Let's. Hands work. Nice little watch. I'll put this on the time grapher, make sure that it runs well. But again, the strap here, I'm going to change. It's quite old, yeah, no. But straps are cheap and I hoard them, so that's a good thing. Just the bag. Okay, Caraval by Bulova. It's taking a wind. Put it to the ear. Okay, yeah, it seems to be running, which is good. Always a good sign when they run. Here we have a Gruen. Nice little ladies cocktail watch. Precision. To the ear. Running great. Next up, we have a Solid. Yeah, missing the crown and stem. So yeah, we're going to say that's a knot runner. Put that with the knot runners. This is a Lobris? What is this? Does it run? Does this run? Okay, yeah, seems to run. Oh yeah, that works. Okay. Put it in the working pile. What do we have here? Hudson's. Swiss made. Zoom in just a touch. It says Hudson's. Give it a little pull. 17 joules. Does it run? It's letting me wind it just fine. Yep, and it works. That is good. That is a nice little watch. Yeah, in the case it says it's gold filled. Doubt you guys can even see that. It's barely there. It just says gold filled. Okay. Stop. This is a quartz. Like a Chinese made cheaper quartz, ladies. Here we have what looks to be a men's. This is a Governor. Kind of cool little watch. Does it run? Okay, it's winding. Is it run? Just fell on the table. It's fine. Yeah, it's not running. So it sounds like the balance isn't good. So we'll put that back. The next thing we see a Air Lord, 17 joules. Yeah, again, fully wound, but not a bad watch. Rodinia. Works. Put that in the working section. This is a Sheffield. For 80 bucks, I think I'm doing pretty well. Let's see. Walco. This is plastic. It says Swiss made. Let's see. Oh. Doesn't seem to want to run, so we'll put that in the no. Then let's see. Clinton automatic. Okay. Nice little watch. So with an automatic, I always like to give them a little. Let's give these a little shake. And let's see. Doesn't want to run. Maybe a little wind. Does it run? No sound. So I'm just going to say comfortably that one doesn't work. Nice little Gruen. I always look on the back. Because a lot of these times these watches can be gold. Fully wound. That's not moving. Put that in the no. Here we have a Luis. I highly doubt that's a 25. This says 25 at the bottom there. Highly doubt that's a, 25 joule movement. Yeah, we can see that it's nothing. Okay, I stand corrected. That's actually a halfway decent movement. I thought for sure that was just going to be like a cheap, no jeweled metal on metal movement, but no. Okay. But still, that watch does not work. Next up, we have a, oh, that's cool. A little crack. That's a Sorna. Swiss made. Let's see, does it work? Fully wound. Yeah, not much there. This is a Geneva Deluxe. I like the black face. Okay, oh, that's a little bit off. It should be like up there. Yeah, and we can see, I feels like the click spring's broken because it just rotates back. Put that in the no. Next up, we have a Filaro. Let's see. Hey, I mean, it works. Kind of surprising. Caraval. And what does that say? And 1976. Give that just a little wind. Beautiful patina. Nice little watch. It works. Okay. We have a, what's this? Delaware 17 joules, and it's running. Again, nice little watch. We'll put it up to the time grapher to make sure these all work. Okay, let's look at the next bag. I must say we're doing better than I thought. So, this is kind of what to expect. Is this a quartz? That's a Hellbros quartz. How close? There we go. Hellbros is a nice company. I enjoy their watches. Okay, probably made in Japan. 80s. Needs a little bit of a buff. But I'm sure that'll work. Hellbros usually sell quite well for me. So put that in the good section. Next up, we have a Enfield anti-magnetic Swiss made. Fully wound. What do we have here? This looks nice. Mentor 17 jewels. Fully wound. The fully wound ones, I don't really like messing with them. So I'll probably just sell them as is, where is, in junk lots on eBay. Another Caravel. Running good. I'll probably change the strap. It's a little bit small. You see there's a lot of wiggle room. Little crack to the plastic. I might pop that off, put a new one on. It's N6, 1976. Beautiful little watch. I'm happy with that. Here we have a Knowles. Kind of Art Deco kind of thing. You can see it's plated. You always want to look, you never know. Okay, it's running. See a little second hand at the bottom there running. Nice little watch. Generally, if this is silver and this is gold, it'll be plated. If it's gold and gold, generally then you want to check. Elgin. A nice little watch. Looks good. Let's see, does it work? To the ear. Oh yeah, that works great. I put up to the mic, not sure if you can hear it. Missing one of the diamonds up there, but not a big deal. Good. Put that in the good pile. Here we have a Tradition. I think that's Catholic. Could be wrong. Little wind. To the ear. Works great. Put that in the good section. Now, what do we have here? Gemic. Gemic. Let's see. Let's give this a little wind. And that's not going anywhere. That is a not worker. Got a lot of watches here for the 80 bucks. Oh, pocket watch. Sheffield. Fully wound. Doesn't feel like it's in there well. Yeah. Damn, fully wound, but okay. This is a Lady Elgin. 17 jewels. Oh, it's running. See that? Kind of like the strap too. It's kind of neat. Put it to the ear. Good. That is running quite well. Just clean it up. I'll probably even leave that strap on, Happy with that. Next up, Sears. This is one of those that it's like the jumping minute. Looks like maybe something hit and they welded it or something. Oh, the lug broke off. Does it run? Fully wound. Damn. Cool watch. That's rare. I've never actually seen one. Ingraham. Put that in the junk pile. Here we have a... Oh, cases. No glass. What are you? Alec. Halfus and Co. Well, I see the, you wind it like this. Give that a little wind. We want to look all... Yeah, you can see the plating. If you look right there, you can see it's plated, unfortunately. This is the type of thing you just want to go nice and slow with a loop. Put that in the good pile. It does run. To see if you can find a hallmark. Because I've had watches like that water damage. They're gold. You know, a couple grams of gold can be $200 or $300. So I always go slow. And I like gold. It's very easy to sell. What do we have here? That is a Hotwood. Don't know. Put that in the junk. Here we have a Citizen Quartz. Nice little 80s ladies watch. Kind of cool. See that, let's put this over here. Cardinal. It's a little ladies watch. Fully wound. It's hard with all the reflection. Another Caravel. And 4. Nice little watch, good shape. Oh yeah, this one will run. I can feel this one will run. Yeah. And the strap's broken. This has missing the end. Okay, that's not a huge deal. I have extra straps. That the good section. Mansion. Doesn't seem to want to run. Eldale. Fully rewound. Here we have a Clinton. Let's see, that is a Croton. Let's see. Seems to run. The good section. Another Caravel. And 2. Doesn't seem to run. Always come back and double check. Timex. Fully wound. Oh, this looks almost brand new. This is kind of cool. Timex. Oh. Little wind. Runs. See, my fingers starting to get sore, all this winding. Another Timex. Does not work. Fully wound. Okay. Last bag. Then we're going to come back for my top couple. This one's gold back. Could this be gold? Rolled gold plate Bulova. N3 1973. Nice watch. Little cocktail watch. Let's see. Runs perfect. This is in good shape. This is definitely going on my Etsy. Elgin 19. Fully wound. Put that in the that marking there. Oh, just a scratch. Okay. Next is a Lucerne. Fully wound. Another Cardinal. Kind of a cool Cardinal. Little wind up. Let's see. Could get that in focus. Runs great. Okay. We have 3 more watches. Elora. Missing the stem and crown. It's not even really in there well. That's going to be a no. Look at that Bulova. Wow. Beautiful. Cracks in the plastic. That's not great. N4 1974. Works great. What a shame though with that little bit of cracking in the plastic. But good shape. Last one is a Groxa. Have to change the plastic, that's quite badly broke. And it works, so that's not bad. This is working, this is not, about 50-50. So I will come back with my top 5. So back with my favorites. I tried my best to find comparables. It's just kind of tough. For starters, the Citizen does not work. The Hellbros works great. Change the battery. Good. The Bulova works great. Put it to the time grapher. Again, these are just kind of rough estimates to what I think I could get for them. Same with this Bulova. Works great. This one looks brand new. This Elgin works great. Beautiful little watch. This Lucerne isn't really worth much. Not many sold on eBay, so I'll probably, not a super expensive watch. I think the find of the day was the ladies' Elgin mechanical. Automatic. I can find very few of these, and that one sold for quite a bit. So I think this is going to be the find of the day. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.